Yeah. Yeah, no, good, yes, no, I don't know. Yes, no, I don't know. Refresh. Yeah, I think we are here. Let's see YouTube. Is there a problem there? I'm starting for the second time. I hope this time it will work. Yeah, seems fine here. I have a electricity problem, so I have to run it from my hotspot from my phone, the internet, and it seems fine actually. It seems to be working equally fast as my normal internet, because at home I have a mobile internet anyway. So I just don't use the wire. I think it's good enough, It's like normally I have like 5G and it's enough. Okay, let's just see if my live stream is fine here, or maybe I was just on one. Yeah, okay, that's okay. Seems okay. Stream 10. Okay, this was yesterday was really good. 97 views. That's still good. And like yesterday I had like really two cool live streams. Yeah, if you are bored, watch it. This is from my video, from my podcast. I don't know. I'm kind of wondering if I should be doing those videos. Yeah, this one got popular, but the other ones got really slow. Maybe I should put some dinosaurs in my thumbnails. They seem to be working. Yeah. So yeah, let's just yeah, I've been actually reworking my CV. And this is not the CV. I want to actually become a, I don't know if I can say that I'm becoming a full stack developer, but I'm kind of repainting it, I'm just moving from front end job, and I was doing some full stack as well, and I'm doing it now here, showing that to you. But I should be actually, I wanna start being more of a full stack developer. So that's a stepwise. That's like 3 jobs away. Go. Oh, okay. So we are already going back to the 4th job. And this is not what I want. I'm obviously heavily using ChatGPT because why not? This is a CV. I use it I use AI now for everything. So yeah, CV is not really a reason not to. Okay, so let's just go back all the way to 7N, which is way. It's a Danish, like a subcontracting firm. And this is front-end developer. I wonder if I should call myself full stack developer here, because I was doing some full stack there. Senior full stack developer, mostly front-end, way mostly front-end. But there was time when I was actually doing full stack. So let's just call myself a full stack developer there. Oh, okay, now senior full stack developer. Is this okay? No. Yeah, so that's it. 7 and Warsaw. So it's a senior full stack. That was a front end. This one is front end developer, and this was 7N, and we worked there from 2019 to 2020. Although I had a gap at this stage in the middle, but that's where I was actually working also on another project. Yeah, let's do this. There's 2 spaces here. I wonder, can I call myself senior full stack developer? Like I was a full stack there. That was senior front end developer. Yeah, I don't know. Front end slash So there was some full stack stuff that I was doing. Okay, let's just be true to the history. Actually, I was a senior front-end developer, and I was doing some full stack as well there. So I was actually using Nest and Node.js at that job, and yeah, I was using all that fun stuff. So just just a sec. Where's the second page? Okay, so I have these 3 points, and I actually learned a lot. It was for the bank. For a bank. Okay, I am doing a CV. Can you what do you think about this? Should we improve it or what? Good content, clear stack, or whatever. Clean and professional. Developed slightly stronger. Developed responsive applications. You are React. Blah blah blah. Style components, integrated front end, React API, and ensure strong architecture. Yeah, okay. That's good. So it was already free like a couple of jobs ago, so I don't really think like so much applies, although I think that it was pretty strong in terms of like testing and stuff. I was doing quite a lot of testing there. So it was still a strong job. Yeah, okay, so now let's just copy that one for the formatting. Slash bank. 7N or 7N? Like, is this large or small? 7N. Yeah, it's a big N. Yeah, good. Yeah, hello, welcome. I think, yeah, you've been here with me most of the time, although my stats are showing kind of rubbish information. So, good to see you. I think we are almost getting to 1,000 subscribers. So, actually, it's below me now. So, yeah, if you didn't subscribe yet, make sure you do that. Obviously, I appreciate that. So, like, I'm repainting today my CV. I want to try for a couple of full stack jobs here in Warsaw. And that might be actually pretty good, you know, it might be quite useful. So, and we have it in the hash now. Yeah. So that was in the hash. Front-end developer as well. Warsaw, and this, yeah. In the hash Warsaw. Good. Hello, more people. More the merrier. Unfortunately, I'll have to only stay for another half an hour because I have a meeting on one of my projects on pattern market, which probably if you've watched me before, I was probably blabbing about it for extended amount of time. So it's sewing patterns for sale. You can sell your sewing patterns, and I have to do like some really good promotion for that because otherwise it's not really yeah, I just need to improve that for sure as a project, because like the thing is like it's progressing nicely in terms of like a design and development, and other than that it's kind of like in terms of getting customers we are kind of stuck. So I should probably spend more time on this rather than on just like design development, which is a pity because it's a fun thing. Oh, rest group. So I already removed a couple of jobs. I think I'm already limiting stuff in my CV. Even this one could actually go away. Web and graphic designer. Yeah, let's place that. And here, web graphic designer, no? Let's make it bold and sexy. This was actually Res Group, Kings Langley, UK. Very nice job. I really loved it there. Although at some point I got really bored, but other than that, it was a fun job to have. Yeah. So, oh, okay. No, not like this. I think we can just do here. It will be enough to make 1.5 space. Yeah, and it should be done. Basically, I'm trying to compact my CV as well, because it was just, there's just too much stuff already. And I'm actually, yeah, I'm actually compacting it. Okay. Developers. Good. Managing for the designers and developers. Oh, okay. And in creating new endpoints. Managing team. New projects. Yeah, let's actually bounce it by ChatGPT, because I think it makes no sense. It's like, I didn't look into this CV for a while, and I kept on sending it. Can you check this? Yeah. Features and endpoints. New features, actually new features, not and remove endpoints, actually makes no sense. Yeah, not endpoints, makes no sense. Coordinated to work with managers. Build, okay, so this one build, created. Is this like, okay, built, created, worked. Yeah, so redoing my CV. That's a kind of fun, very useful job. I think like it's necessary. I guess. And yeah, how are you guys today? Is there anyone that I know? Did you join my? Let's see my Discord. Like for now, I'm kind of slow about it. I'm not really doing too much there, but I'm sure like quite soon, if you're free, we can hop on VC right now. I bought a cheap webcam. I don't have much time later, so yeah, okay. Yeah. Hit me up. Yeah. You are free. I'm on my computer for most of the day. So yeah, we've got 11 people here. It's a nice one. I'm on a live stream now. You can join me. Yeah, although I have to swap my... Yeah, it's like my laptop seems to be dying quite quickly. Oh, what's this? Is this charging? Okay, maybe my electricity will be down. Maybe the live streaming might not work out today. The thing is, like, we have a electricity problem. Yes, so I said that. And what happens now is I have this battery, but it's kind of small, and this is lasting for so short. Let's just unplug this one, this baby. And my battery, it's also quite small. So So I don't know if it's gonna last for long. And my laptop seems to be just eating up battery, so that's yeah, so my battery is just too small for to charge my laptop, and I was testing it earlier and it seemed fine, but now it's okay, so it might not actually last me for long, unfortunately. So I think this live stream unfortunately might not be the longest and might not be most successful, but that kind of happens sometimes, you know, like you get some good live streams and sometimes you get very slow ones and when your laptop stops working. So that's unfortunate. I might need to take a drive somewhere to like some coffee place and maybe connect there, but for now I think I'm out. I will be out quite soon. Let's just finish this stuff. Yeah, okay. Let's just finish this CV and I will start sending it later. And so at the end of my CV, I had something like this. Let's add all the tag from previous and arrange it. Let's add, yeah. From previous jobs. From this to what I add in CV. Yeah, let's just add that. I think I'm not really showing all the skills I'm having, and I have plenty actually. Like the thing is, like I keep on forgetting some stuff, so that's a normal thing. I shouldn't be too much into. Yeah, we have to let know gamer. Sorry, the pro gamer. Oh, sorry, can join now. That's good. That's good. Don't worry. Cool. Next time, don't worry. Okay, so let's be back to my. I don't know, like, where's my stream info? So yeah, what's wrong with this baby? Yeah, unfortunately, I will have to buy a new battery, like a emergency battery, because I have a sort of an office in other building, but there's no like electricity there. And let's just restore it here now. Yeah, so I will want to work there, but this battery that I bought wasn't too expensive, but it's actually too small, and it's not even charging my phone. Sorry, my laptop, and it's only 150 watts. And I want to be able to charge laptop and the monitor at the same time, plus maybe some other stuff. So I have to probably buy like 300 or 400 watts of power, and it will be 3 or 4 times more expensive, but it's still, yeah, whatever. So, okay, did we pass it to the AI? Is my AI working on it or what? Dev tools, skills. Okay. Yeah, okay, let's just do this, although we have to squeeze it. Oh, and university as well. Let's not forget about study, the university shit, in education. Skills, so this will be here. Skills, oh, did I? Experience. Skills, skills. Seconds. Yeah. Maybe like this. And here, this stuff. Oh, and we'll have to edit it. Shit, my laptop is just dying on my eyes. Let's just increase the lower performance. Yeah, okay. I'm gonna win a couple of minutes that way. And can we like charge it halfway or something? So like my battery charger is for phones, maybe. That's the most it can do. I'll have to like invest in more in better one, like yeah. How do I like move it? Size move. Yeah. No, where is it? Okay, maybe if I just unplug. That's how it works. Yeah. I'm back here. I just have too many things now, so sorry. This video is a flop. But some of them are. And here we are. No viewers? No, just very few viewers today. Yeah, so whoever is here, good to see you. As I was saying, I will be out in like 20 minutes or something. Yeah, in 20 minutes. And we have this live now. Doesn't really do any very well. Where's it? And okay, let's just do university now. Is it? So the skills and education. That's the stuff that was left. Don't need to go here. So basically, I just want to start like this is a good job I could apply to. Almost run out of time. This is a good one. Yeah, I think that's a last moment to actually apply here. So I will start applying for Fullstack, you know. Yeah, with this CV. And yeah, like I'm posting shorts and videos and some videos. I don't know. I'm thinking about stopping actually posting videos as such, just live streams and shorts. Actually, maybe. Yeah, let's just keep on doing all. But they don't seem to be very popular. They get some views and some of them don't. Okay, let's just do skills now. So we have skills and we have them in slightly different formats. So it's actually all in one line, and probably I will just Figma, Photoshop, video, the editing. Yeah, I know all of that stuff. Like this is a crazy, just so many good skills that I can't fit them in one page. Okay, let's just make this. Let's paint this. Okay. Yeah. Paint this here. Oops. Product. City. Yeah. Leadership and product. IT. So this one is first. And all of this is here. Let's just paint that into this. And I will just make it in one. Team leadership and mentoring. IT project manager. Stakeholder communication. And let's just move this to the left. Conflict resolution. Decision making, and yeah, I think I'm good at decision making actually. It's like, you know, some people are afraid of making decisions, and I don't mind, you know. I just make quick decisions and I don't mind the consequences. Yeah, cross-functional. Let's just not do that because we had the Agile and Scrum. Yeah. So now the next one, front-end and languages. So like programming and languages. So it's not only front-end. backend and then APIs. Okay, that makes sense. So now we're gonna do this here. Oops. Such a funny thing. You have to really select all of that. So yeah, front-end and languages. And this will be bold. Let's make this into the same style as that. JavaScript / TypeScript. This should be 1.5 line long. My energy is so low. Probably after the meeting I will go for a walk and hope that my electricity recovers. Otherwise, I will go to some cafeteria or something and work from there. Because I have to work, obviously. I'm a workaholic, so I just can't stop working. Okay, let's just not do the... Why is the... I don't need a link to be here. I don't want it to be here. View. V. UE. Let's give Vue.js, obviously, but when I add JS, it's treating it as a link. Or no. Okay, that will do. So now this goes like that. And this goes here. Oops, no. Node.js. Yes, I know Node.js, obviously. Don't make links out of everything, please. Fast API. It's actually more of a Django. Python, Django. Fast API I know very briefly. I know Django much better, actually. So yeah, let's remove this link from here. No, don't make a link out of it. How do I, like, in Word you could just break a link? Yes, and here can I break a link? No. Remove a link? No. Okay, I'll just do this and just paint it. Shit. Oops, no. Too much stuff here. Yeah. Okay, yeah, that's fine. DevOps and tools. I think that there's more tools that I know. I have to actually maybe think of more tools that I could possibly, that I've worked with, basically, you know. So there's a, yeah, module federation, because yeah, obviously I know Git. That's obvious. Azure DevOps, Azure boards. Yeah, I can say Firebase. Commodore. It's like Commodore. Yeah, is it like a Commodore? Like this way? Is it? Okay, I think it's this one. Commodore. No, that's not what. Commodore. Yeah, Commodore. This one. I know that one. It's a simple tool. Actually, it's very. Okay. Jira, Docker, CI/CD, module federation. Yeah, there's plenty of that. I wonder what other tools I know actually. I know like, like SSH and stuff like that. Should I add tools and tools? DevOps and tools to DevOps and tools that I cancel that I with render /birds like old-fashioned FTP transfer SSH stuff email protocol. Oh shit, I've been working on everything almost. The thing is like, yeah, because like when you do your own stuff, you start actually building quite a lot of tools and knowledge on different tools. And there's so many. What's the and the database actually? Do I have like a Postgres and stuff? Like I will drop it in backend basically section. Yeah, I can see that my live stream about CV work is not very popular, but it just needs to be done. So wherever. Postgres backend and APIs. MongoDB. In terms of SQL, I don't know if I should actually add it. My SQL is very basic. I use AI now for SQL stuff. Design and media. Figma. Canva. Adobe Photoshop, video editing. Design systems. Yeah. Quite many. That's a good list. That's a good list of stuff. Okay, so I think we're sort of progressing nicely. Let's go to the next points. And this is LinkedIn, obviously. We love LinkedIn. Technical writer. That would be an interesting job. Can I do that? Can I be technical writer? Obviously, it's not very well paid usually. You have to know only Office and technical writing. So no, I'd probably not, because you have to have a light pen, they say. My pen is quite heavy. I think like, let's see what other tools I have here. Cloud hosting. CDN. Like CDN integration. Yeah, hello more people. It's a slow podcast today, but like maybe people don't care about me doing my CV. CDN integration. Yeah. Okay. And if you actually deployed apps by versa render configures if long ago and irrelevant one-time tasks, DevOps and tools. Yeah, let's add to this. CDN, fire integrations, SSH, FTP. Yeah. Yep. Okay. I think that's fine. And what else? Like, did it say? I keep on losing my stuff because I don't have a second screen. I just normally I would just place it on the other one. Even better, more senior framing, cloud deployment, CDN configuration. Okay, that's probably better. Yes, more senior. Let's make it my senior because I'm more senior. CDN configuration. I'll just have a CDN SSH based server management. Yep, nice, very nice. So okay, let's just, I think like more spacing should be before each line, or maybe, yeah, let's just add one more before each one. It's gonna take, this section gonna take a lot of space, but I think it's something that you know, what are they called? Recruiters. Like when they don't know technologies, they will actually look for that stuff. Some sort of like a keywords. Maybe not. Actually, yeah, maybe do that. And actually, let's just do this. Yes. 2 dots. And this. 2 dots and this. 2 dots and this. Yeah, we're gonna take less space basically. Figma, Canva, wherever. So much. And there is education left. Yes. Should it have like this much space after? Yeah, I think that's good. Although this should be less actually. Oh, 4 minutes to my meeting. Okay, I will have to go soon. This should be actually 1.5. It will look much better. So it's a bit too much squeezed. Yeah. And I think that's what's here. Yeah. Product decision, product strategy. Let's just get product strategy. Yeah, less space. Let's remove this C# integration. Maybe that's I obviously did that, but maybe that's not Postgres. Is this Postgres with one S or two S's? Postgres. Oh no. Yep. Postgres. PostgreSQL. Let's just write QL actually. Query language, obviously. Postgres. QL. Yeah, I could obviously say like that's the simple one. Oh, whatever. Skills, education now. And okay. Yeah, let's just move all of that. That wasted time. It was a waste of time. This computer science studies thing. How do I actually show it here? So okay, this should be like this and bold. University of Westminster, London, and all of that. Crap. Very unnecessary. Yeah, okay, let's just rewrite this into something more. Let's rewrite this. More fitting my CV. Whoops, no, stop this. Ah, you stupid idiot. No, I don't, just don't. Can you wait for a second? Come on, AI. Sometimes you work too fast for me. Okay, unfortunately, I have to go. Thank you guys for coming. See you later. People kept on coming now. Hello, sorry for that. I have to go. I have a meeting. See you later. Subscribe if you are not. See you around. Thank you. Ooh, battery dying.